up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. Today we are sorry, I live by the street, so y'all can probably hear everything. But today we are going to the Spartan Madness. It's supposed to be like a really lit event. It's like a pep rally sort of thing or whatever. So I'm dressed and I'm headed to that, and I'm really excited. So I'm gonna try to vlog some footage for y'all. We can't take bags in there, so I'm gonna have to like hide y'all in my jacket pocket. So yeah, I'll catch up with y'all on the way there, and I hope y'all having a great day or night whenever you're watching this. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that, and yeah. So I wasn't gonna vlog this, but this is so good. You wanna say hi? Hi! That's my girl Taya, and this is some amazing nutrient-dense dinner.
We have technical difficulties with the microphone. We have a 9, we have an 8, and we have an 8.
I am exhausted. So the Spartan Madness thing went great. I had such a good time. I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. I got a handy dandy t-shirt. I was one of the first 1,000 people there, although I almost got trampled, literally trampled, to get in there, to see an artist who I don't even know his songs. But my friend was so crazy about it. I was like, gotta get in there, gotta be on time. We get there on time. When I tell you, people behind us were running. You know how like in those Thor movies or like those old time movies where like they're charging? Let me just explain. I was in line. We waited for an hour and a half in line. I waited for an hour and a half in line just for people behind me to run around me to get to the front. So imagine we're just standing there minding our business and people start running. And you know how we do. You know how we do. One person running, we all running. Ain't asking no questions. So I start taking off and I'm wondering, why are we running? I know I'm not supposed to ask that, I know. But I look back and everybody behind me is still around. I'm just like, all right, let's go. Take it off. Take off. Usain Bolt out of there. get up to where I can't even go anymore, and I realized, wow, we were all running to get back in line. So I almost got trampled. But it was a great event. It was fun. It was lit. It was lit. But yeah, I had to vent on that, because my thing is, what was the point of the line if everyone's gonna jump the rope and trample over each other to get up? And we were like this, like sardines in a can, like this. Okay, 15 minutes. People I don't know, just like this, for no reason, just for them to tell us you gotta hand a card to swipe in. So people did all that for no reason. But anywho, like I said, we're gonna end it on a positive note. It was a great event. From now on, I know what to expect. I was not expecting that at all. But anyway, I got my t-shirt. I was still one of the 1,000 people. So for all y'all that almost trampled over me, I still got my t-shirt. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Yeah, so it'll be going up soon. I want you guys to like, comment, subscribe, share the video with your family, your mama, daddy, uncle, auntie, grandma, grandpa. Get them on the tube and show them my content. I'll have more videos coming out for y'all soon. Thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.